back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to active Google Assistant in Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Google. After click on Google, click on all services. Scroll down and click on search assistant and voice. Scroll down and click on Google Assistant. Scroll down and click on general. Use screen control and you will see. If you want to active Google Assistant, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.